And that put the Philippine National Police and of course the Manila Police District in a big shame. For you might be there, I don't know if you were there, but everybody knows what happened, not only in the local folks but also worldwide. But that put the Philippine National Police and also the whole country in a big trouble. And as of now, it is still under investigation. So yours truly was designated there as officer in charge at the time that we were in trouble. I just hope, and of course with the prayers of the CCF brothers and sisters, and also the Christian world, that we can overcome this problem. And yours truly is always in the forefront as far as this is concerned. So I'm telling these experiences to you, young officers, for you to understand that being a police officer, when you were conducted and you were undergoing process from a civilian to an aspirant PO1, wherein you know pretty well that I was very instrumental, because I know that at the time that you were recruited, I was still the chief of the regional screening committee. Tama? So, nakita nyo naman kung paano kami naging objective. Walang palakas,